What's up everyone, welcome to another video here in the channel. Thank you for tuning in. And today I got these Tough Gears models, racers that I found in the store the other day, in specifically HEB. We're gonna check these out. I'm gonna open them. I'm gonna start on this side with this blue Nissan. Let's see it in better detail. So let's open it real quick. Without further ado, here is a very cool Nissan. I love that blue. I like it that it has the details in the front. Very cool, awesome. And it's painted in the back, the back lights. Even the door handle is painted on, and it has the little logo there in the side as well. So as you can see, there you go. Let's see what model it is. It is, as you can see on the bottom, it says a 2009 the Nissan 370Z. There's the bottom. You can see it's from a brand by Maisto. Very cool. There is the side of it. Awesome. The front. Closer look. Like I said, I like that detail. You really can't see through them. You just have the windshields just painted over in black. So that's that. All right, so the next one, let's see what model is this. I was curious because I couldn't tell from just seeing it from the box. There's still a few models that I am not familiar with, but I'm getting there. I'm getting to know them. So there it is. Here's this one. This one's very cool. Ding, message. So this is the model 1953 Studebaker Starliner. I'm not familiar with that model actually. Like I said, this is a brand by Maisto, and there it is. Check out the rims. Oh come on, camera. There you go. The rims, the side panel. It looks very cool, very sleek, very like it comes out in one of those mob movies in the 50s, 30s. Oh, I didn't check that out. The grill's kind of like messed up. 530728 license plate. Very cool. And is it just me, or is it the whole car is just slanted to one side, or maybe they got damaged in the packaging? I'm not sure. I am not sure about this. If it got, slammed into the one side in the packaging or something. But there you go. All right, let's go with the last one, which is a Lamborghini. I know it's a Lamborghini. Let's check it out. There you go. Very cool lime green Lamborghini Marcielago. I'm also not too familiar with the Lamborghini, all the Lamborghini names and models, so forgive me. You know that the windshields are painted black. You got the logo in the front, and you got the lights painted on the back. Black bottom, very cool. I'm also picking up models that I find cool, that I like. So this one was also picked out because I don't have much Lambos. I don't have too many Lamborghinis, and I want to have something that I can share a common interest with my nephew. Shout out to him, Weddle. He likes these Lamborghinis, man. He's a big fan of Lamborghini, so maybe I can, race him one day. Race him for pink slips. Let's see if he wants to, if he's down for that. More likely he's gonna win me, because all the Lambos he has are from other models that I think they're a little bit more sleek, and they run better in the tracks. But who knows? We'll see. But there you go. So here's a Lambo. Here is the 1953 Studebaker. I really have not heard of that name. Let me leave in the comments below if you've heard of this model. Give me some background on this. There you go. Studebaker Starliner. I find it very cool. I don't know where is it made out of, like what country was it made in, but very cool car. And you got over here the Nissan the Nissan 370Z. Very cool cars. I hope you guys have a great day collecting and you know, sharing this hobby with everyone who you share it with. Hope you guys have a great day. Much luck in the hunting, and like I said, have a good day. Peace.